At this moment, we are standing here in front of our office, KAWJF. Through the viral of the social media against the case of Rakesh Terang and Paul Terang. The incident took place on the 5th of January, and we gave the memorandum or the complaint letter to the Chief of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council on the 28th of January. But that complaint or memorandum letter was not to open the Shri Mongol shop, but totally to close the Shri Mongol shop. For that, we gave the complaint letter. But today, from morning till now, the viral was still on sharing that, pointing at Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum has taken the 80 lakhs money from the Shri Mongol. That is not correct. That is totally false statement, and that we totally disagree with the viral of the social media. And that social media, the first uploaded by Bisonat Karbi Anglong Live, Chandro Singh Rongpi, was the first person to upload the memorandum or the complaint letter, and pointed us with a red circle, with a red ink on our name. Who has given the right name? Who has given him the power? He has no right. Before pointing us, he should come and talk to us and learn what is inside. Don't judge the profile above. Just give the judgment after going through the profile. After that, you give a judgment whether it is correct or wrong. And the Malong news, we are certainly unhappy with them. Without knowing the real truth, they have pointed us, and totally we are disappointed with the news channel of Bisonat Karbi Live and Malong News of Karbi Anglong. Today, we are giving the clarification from Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum and associated with Serdihun Serpindeng Asong, telling you that through the media, telling you that for the opening of the shop, we haven't gone to CEM of Karbi Anglong requesting about the opening of the shop. For that, we are giving you the clarification today at this moment in front of our office, Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum. Thank you.
Again, the Shri Mongol shop has been opened. So earlier, the Karbi Women Justice Forum has demanded to shut down the shop. So now, again, it has been opened. So again, any action will be taken by the Karbi Women Justice Forum?
After getting the complaint or the, how to say, after destroying a name by viraling the false statement, we are not happy to join again to the fight against the closing of the Shri Mongol shop. But if other organizations come and request us, then we are ready to do that. We have no problem of closing. We have no problem of opening. That is, the authority has got the council, autonomous council, the CEM, they have got the authority and the Department of Trading License, those who are issuing the trading license for the people who are keeping the shop. So we have no right, we have no authority either to force them to open or either to close the shop. That's all.
Last question, ma'am. Yes, Malong News and Bisonat Live has stated the wrong news. So any message or any demand is there from the Karbi Women Justice Forum?
We cannot accept Bisonat Karbi Anglong Live news channel in the Karbi Anglong because his place is in Bisonat, so he has no right to come and stay here. If he do the work genuinely, then we have no problem. But without knowing the whole story, he is just posting the complaint letter and putting a red circle in front of our name. That means he is targeting us to put us down. That's all. We cannot accept that.